Hey everybody! So it is time to announce the winners of these two giveaways. For the Patreon journal draw, I used random.org, and the number that it generated for me was 4, and the fourth comment over on the post is Catherine Hawks. So Catherine, you have won this journal. I will announce the winner over there, and so we can get in touch, and I'll put together some extra goodies and mail this out to you. So congratulations, Catherine. Now for this one, I am using YouTube random comment picker. So I've entered the video URL over in the proper space, and now is choosing. So we have 318 unique commenters, and over here I just press start and it is going to pick our winner. Fran5466, you are the winner. So congratulations, Fran5466. I'm going to give you a couple of days to get in touch with me. You can use any of the contact links below this video, or you can message me directly on YouTube. Either way, just get in touch with me so that I can get your address, and I'm going to get some extra goodies ready for this journal and mail it off to you. So thank you all for subscribing and for entering the giveaway. I'll see you all back here soon. Bye!